Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video is how to compute the consumption of 1 HP aircon per month. So magkano nga ba yung consumption ng 1 horsepower aircon sa isang buwan? So this is the formula, and then I write the computation of 1 HP aircon per month consumption. So at first, convert the 1 HP to power equals 746 watts, and then 1 kilowatts equivalent to 1000 watts, and then convert the 746 watts to kilowatt. So 746 watts divided by 1000 watts or over 1000 watts equals 7.746 kilowatt times the number of hours per day. So let's say 5 hours usage, so equals 3.73 kilowatt hour per day. And then that 3.73 kilowatt hour times 1 month, 30 days, equals 111.9 kilowatt hour per month. And then the 111.9 kilowatt hour times the rate. So how much the rate of the electrical distributor? So it's depend. Let's say Meralco, the rate. So 12. So 12 kilowatt hour. So it's depend the the rate of the electrical provider. So equals 1,342.8 per month. So sa isang buwan ay may 1,342.8 pesos. So this is the consumption of 1 HP aircon. And then it's depend the number of hours per day, huh? So I write the 5 hours. So and then 30 days, 111.9 kilowatt hour in 1 month, and then times the rate of the electrical provider. So let's say 12. So kilowatt per hour equals 1,342.8 pesos per month. So sa isang buwan ay may consumption ng isang 1 HP aircon ng 1,342.8 pesos. Okay, thank you.